Hi, it's Mahwish Khan. I'm in IT for a couple of years. I have almost 14 certifications including VMware, Citrix, MCSA, MCSC, Exchange, SCCM. A couple of my friends are in IT and they give me NetSoft as a recommendation to like upgrade my skills. I took 11 trainings and all went great. It's a high quality training and like it makes it different from other schools. I took a couple of trainings in different schools, but I found NetSoft different from other institutes as it gives more hour and like it's more organized and there is more hands-on. Trainers over here are different from other institutes as like they give more hours. If you want, they will give you like one-to-one attention, and if you and sometimes we don't want to go through each and every page, but they want to go line by line. Trainings over here are intensive, I would say, because whatever we do on weekends, we have to match those hours during the weekdays, and we get like home fun assignments, and our trainers really push in our home fun assignments to do our work done, to do our certifications. They really push you a lot. Trainers over here challenge you a lot, and they give you so many home fun assignments. Then they always ask us to go out of your comfort zone. I would go with cons first, as like in NetSoft, like if you're taking the course, so I would say it's long hours, it's intense training, and but it will make you perfect. And secondly, just quit 1 year. All your social life. I would say the success stories in my class is more than 90%. Everyone got their dream jobs. I would say it was 30 hours I spent. There is a Hire Me course in our diploma, and which help us like to get the jobs, to make the resume from scratch, how to groom ourselves, so it's a perfect package. I have done different courses that makes me confident. So in the job market, whenever I go for the interviews, they valued me for my knowledge. So that's what like make me proud. Whatever I am, whatever I was, I feel a real difference. VMware is my favorite training, and the course material was great. This institute is the best institute I would say to start with to change your career. I would say just go for it.